The name of a person and dreamed name of a person, or a city one sees in a dream also reflects some of the meanings of one's dream, e.g. Beit al-Maqdis Jerusalem, Dar-u Salam, the abode of peace, Maghrib, sunset, or among western cities we find Salt City, Bellevue, New York, New Brunswick, Philadelphia, Bridgewater, Summerside, etc. The industry of a city also has a share in the dream interpretation. To understand the possible role of a person, a known place or a city in a dream, one should also analyze the meaning of that person's name, or that city's name. Suppose that one sees a man called Robert or Roger in a dream, he then should think of the meaning in relation to bright, praised, boast, or fame. If his name is Charles or Carl, for example, then one should think of something which is fulgurant. If his name is Abel or Cain, then he should think of the children of Adam and their trials. If his name is Gable, one should think of the beat or the upper part of a building. If his name is Mustafa, one should think of the exprescientious inner elect. If his name is Baker, one should relate that name to a compassionate leader, an honest livelihood, a just ruler, love, a son, bread, or even the neighborhood bakery. If his name is Harvey, one should think of the subject of fighting, conquering, or a battle taking place somewhere. If one sees a woman by the name of Elizabeth in a dream, he should think of an oath he made to God Almighty, for the name Elizabeth means, God is my oath. If he sees a girl by the name of Wanda, he should think of base, wind, a rod, authority, a tree, etc. If one sees himself in Jerusalem, he should think of the holy city, the furthest Sacred Mosque Al-Aqsa, prayers, receiving a great wealth from an inheritance, a pilgrimage to Mecca, or business profits. Other proper names of persons and cities may be found in this dictionary. God's prophet, upon whom be peace, once said, "Last night, I saw in a dream that we were visiting the house of Uqba bin Rafi. Then Ratib ibn Tab came and joined us. I interpret it to mean that we will rise in honor in this world and in the hereafter, and that our religion will be firmly established." Thus, he took from the name Rafi the meaning of honor and exaltation, and from the name of Ratib ibn Tab the meaning of a blessed religion. Sharik bin Abi Shamr came to Sa'd bin Musayyib and said, "I saw Almighty falling out in a dream." Sa'd bin Musayyib replied, "What a calamity if your dream is true, it means that all your relatives will die before you." Thus Sa'd interpreted teeth from the root of the word canines, e.g., the family of, or relatives, clans, followers, or age. Arb. Asnan. Bishr bin Abi Aliyah said, "I asked Muhammad about someone who saw his jaws fall out in a dream. He replied, 'This is someone who has cut off his teeth with his family.' Here again, Muhammad went to the origin, and in this case, itis one's teeth. In Islam, breaking relations with one's family is considered a majorsin. Jubair ibn Mu'in reported that God's prophet, Abel, has said, "One who breaks his family ties will not enter paradise." B. Hadsan Muslim, Abu Hurairah, God be pleased with him, reported that God's messenger, upon whom be peace, has said, "Whoever wishes his fortune to increase and his life to be extended should preserve his family ties." B. Hadiths.